Hi everyone, it's Julie with Pure Living and Nutrition. Welcome back. Today I just wanted to show you guys what I typically eat while traveling. I'm here out on the East Coast visiting family. So I'm in Martinsburg, West Virginia. So traveling from Las Vegas, and just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of the types of raw foods that I like to eat. So first of all, again, like I said in my previous video, the important thing is when you are traveling is to plan ahead and prepare in advance what you think you're going to be eating on the road. If you're driving, that's pretty easy because you can stop at different stores along the way and get fresh produce. Pack your cooler with fruits and vegetables while you're driving, and that makes it pretty easy. I had flown, so I prepared in advance by packing some fruits and a trail mix with some other nuts and seeds that I kept in my bag, my carry-on, so that I would have something to eat on the plane. Most airports now have a little market where they sell fresh produce, bananas, cut up melons, and different various fruits that you can get. So that makes it a little bit more convenient if you're wanting to stay raw and continually stock up on fresh produce. Here in Martinsburg, West Virginia, which I'm currently visiting, I was able to find a couple extra items in addition to fruits and vegetables in their local store, which is Martin's. And some of the things that I was able to find, just as a extra treat, is some kale chips here. And I was able to find some kombucha, the root beer flavored. And of course you don't have to get these types of foods, but it's nice to be able to find them at just a local grocery store. And in addition to my fruits and my vegetables that I was able to find on the side here, I usually like to get some almonds and some other nuts and seeds just to nibble on and snack on. So it's pretty easy if you're going to another city or even a big town. You can find fruits and vegetables in your local store, and you don't have too much of an issue again finding these types of foods maybe at a local farm. Different other shops, they will sell fresh produce typically. So if you're traveling internationally, I did hear that you're not supposed to bring fresh fruits and produce across one country to the next, so that might be something to check into if you're traveling internationally. But so far, I'm just snacking on these fun items and eating my fruits and vegetables that I was able to get just at the general grocery store. So once I travel to some other cities here, I'll give you more of a glimpse of what I'm eating. Alright, so I'm out here walking on this very beautiful trail in Martinsburg, enjoying nature. There's so much beautiful greenery out here that I don't get to see in Las Vegas, so I have to soak it up while I can. So what I'm snacking on is just an apple and my trail mix. And in my trail mix I have a combination of almonds, walnuts, dried fruits, some pieces of coconut, dried coconut. And that helps me stay nicely fueled while I'm out here. Alright, I want to go back to my pretty trail. Okay, I'm at Good Natured Cafe, and I just ordered a half salad with pickled beets and figs with some other dried fruits with a raw vegan Snickers bar, kombucha, and a banana split smoothie that has coconut milk, peanut butter, and espresso. So the place that we're staying at in West Virginia is one of our friend's house, and in his garden he grows this huge zucchini in his garden. And so I've never seen zucchini this size before, so I'm like, I have to make something with this because this is amazing. You don't find this size of zucchini in Las Vegas. He also gave me this bag of crushed chili pepper. So I'm like, let's make a spicy salad. So I decided to make a Korean spicy zucchini cucumber salad since we had some cucumber in the fridge. So this is the final product of my Korean spicy salad. And this is actually what I'm going to be eating tonight for dinner. I probably will be eating half of this and then some fresh sweet corn along with it. Anyways, so up next is going to be what I eat in New York, since that's where we're headed to tomorrow. So I will check back in with you guys then. Okay, so we're on our way to New York, and I'm just snacking on my kale chips, and they're really good. This is like the perfect car food. Visiting family, and so for breakfast I'm just having some apples and a banana, and then we're going to be having a barbecue here in a little bit, and I can show you then what I'll be eating for our barbecue.
I usually drink beer now anyway.
That's a picture of them. And then this one, oh, that's Ollie, that's...
You know what this is? What happened? Snuggly. So what do you call it? You're not supposed to take a picture.
Okay, I know, I see. So I'm here just at the store, getting some more produce. You can basically go to any store and get fruits. Alright, so I just got myself some apples, bananas, cauliflower, and some iced coffee. So here I have the juice, and I'm just getting a green juice that has celery, pineapple, seagrass, ginger, and mint in there. And this is here in Sussex, New Jersey, so if you ever are in the area, check it out. It's really good, very healthy, and again, it's a great way to stay healthy and raw while traveling.
They're in motion. Like I'm not a vegan. Let's keep looking at it. You can take pictures if you want.
Okay, you guys, so I'm actually flying back home today, and I just wanted to show you quickly what I'll be eating both for breakfast and then also on the plane ride back home. I'm going to be for breakfast eating my watermelon that's cut up in this container here. And then for the plane ride, I'm just bringing some snacks with me. So I have my fruits that I'm going to be taking, also my raw almonds to munch on. And I also have cut up carrots and cauliflower that I'm taking with me. We do have a layover, so if I happen to find some kale chips at one of the stores in the airport, then I might grab some of those. But pretty much, this is what I'm going to be taking with me. And so I hope that you enjoyed seeing what I eat as a raw vegan traveling. This was actually my first time traveling as a raw vegan, so it was quite an experience for me, but I found that it was really easy to find fresh produce and fruits and vegetables wherever I went. There's grocery stores everywhere, and even at the parks, we went to the zoo, for example, I was able to find salads and fresh produce. So yeah, I found that it was pretty doable and pretty easy. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you guys again for watching. And if you've liked this video, please like down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe for future notifications on future videos. And you can also find me on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Pure Living Nutrition. Thanks again for watching, and then we will see you in my next video.